If you want to set important calls to bypass silent mode on your Android, so first of all, open up your contacts application. In my case, I'm going to be opening phone application. In here, I will choose our contacts tab at the bottom. All right, after we did it, locate the contact which you want to add. For example, I will add up this one, and here at the bottom find your favorites tab. Make sure to add this contact to your favorites. Once again, this variant and this option may vary. Maybe you will have to press more, and there you will add favorites. Depends on your phone, but the process is pretty much the same. All right, after we added up some contacts to our favorites, let's proceed to our settings. Then find our notifications or sound and vibration depending on the model. I'll open up my notifications, and here we are to find our do not disturb mode. Choose this option and make sure to turn it on. Alright, after that, scroll down to your exceptions, find calls, messages, and conversations. Find calls, and here make sure to choose favorite contacts only. And after that, this exception was set, and this ensures that calls from your favorite contacts will bypass your do not disturb mode. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.